Babo Belen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Distrito Angeleños. And particularly, nasa likod natin, this is gonna be our feature business for today. It's called...
This is Base Spicy sa seafood house dito sa may Distrito Angeleños.
There you have it, guys. So we're gonna, let you know kung ano po yung sinaserve nila. At the same time, pakitaan na rin natin yung ambience dito. Pakitaan natin yung mga bumibisita. If we meet some friends, say hi na rin tayo. Yun.
So if you're interested to know more about this one, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
There you go, guys. This is the place. If you notice, siguro nadaanan nyo na to tuwing umaga. This is along yung Ona, at saka Water District, at saka yung Pampang Market. This is really huge. Ang laki ng lugar. Al fresco. Ang daming kumakain din dito. Ang dami rin nag-chill. So they got a stage for the band. Thank you.
Number one.
Ayan, so tingnan natin yung table natin. I think they're preparing it. Yun naman talaga yung pinunta natin dito. So once again, guys, thank you so much, Base Spicy, for inviting us. If you notice our table, sobrang generous, sobrang dami.
Yeah, so we have here different kinds of food na sinerve nila. So meron tayong mga bento meals, meron tayong mga pasta. At the same time, ito yung mga seafood boodles nila.
Yeah. Siguro pakita natin sample ng mga bento meals.
So sa mga bento meals natin, so meron tayo ditong lechong kawali. Yan, meron din tayong sisig, beef tapa, yung kanilang daing na bangus, and syempre yung kanilang pinagmamalaking mixed seafood. Yan.
Right, syempre yung pinagmamalaki nila dito, itong kanilang mga seafood boodle packages, no. This one is the seafood boodle. If you notice, no, seafood lahat yung nandito. This is just 699 pesos. Now dito sa right po naman, so this is called seafood and chicken naman. So pansinin nyo, guys, meron siyang parang whole butterfly chicken. And then nakapalibot siya ng mga mixed seafood plus yung rice. So depende, guys, kung ano yung tipo ninyo, chicken or just plain seafood. That's good. Another very surprising meal dito is yung kanilang mga seafood pasta. Look at that. So they have 4 variants. I want you to know na yung mga serving nila for this one is just 99 pesos. So less than 100. Napaka-affordable, guys. Napaka-affordable. So kung pupunta kayo dito, you're gonna eat and chill, probably drink, pampabusog naman ninyo, kunin nyo na dito sa Base Spicy. Ito yung de-demolish natin dito, itong kanilang 899 na
Seafood and chicken.
Yeah, so Mark, kanina meron tayong na-interview. So ito yung in-order nila.
Yes.
Sulit na sulit.
Actually, sa tingin pa lang, sulit na sulit na. This is really good for 3 to 4 packs. Depende sa appetite mo.
Ha?
Good.
Ano pong in-order tamo, sir? Seafood boodle. Wala, makanda na. Ilang ko pumingan?
Gamingan po. Yara naman.
So meron siyang dalawang sauce. You can either gravy, ayan,
Or yung kanilang seafood sauce nila.
guys. Oh, ma'am. Sa mga nagtatanong pala if they do deliver, so you can actually order and then di-deliver nila. If you're from
Angeles City.
Angeles City, they're gonna deliver it for free. Order in advance. Ayan. So siguro order it in the afternoon if you're planning to, have it during the night.
Yes. Pero kung gusto niyo naman feel yung vibes dito,
Yeah.
they are open from 5 p.m. until 12 a.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. Pamangan,
Manyaman. Perfect.
na ano yung in-order mo, mama?
Ayan, seafood. Mura na eh. Meron mo 4 kami mengan.
Halakan tigan eh.
Ala, oh. Duwi na mo.
So ayun guys, aside from the seafood, meron pa silang mga ibang dishes na sinaserve dito. Kanina parang may nakita akong grilled tuna pa nga.
Yes.
They also have some parang mga sizzling plates. And then, dito naman sa table natin, pinatikim nila sa atin yung kanilang mga bento meals.
So meron tayo ditong bento meals. So, ang titikman ko naman ngayon is yung kanilang beef tapa.
So ako naman guys is yung kanilang mga pasta, which is again, most of them are mga seafood based din. Tingnan natin yung kanilang mga pasta. Yan kaya?
Actually, yung mga bento meals nila, napakasarap. At the same time, siguro, ito yung mga pwede mong dalhin. Good to go. And sa mga work, lalo na ito yung malapit sa ONA, sa Water District, sa mga nagkatrabaho, pwedeng-pwede ito.
Alright, so guys, to top it all off, this is their isa sa mga refreshment nila available dito. Mga fresh buko.
Yes. Kung gusto mo lang naman kumain, mag-hangout, uminom, pwede dito. If you are craving naman for seafood, syempre.
Yes.
So you must visit Base Spicy Seafood House dito sa may Distrito Angeleños.
Mararanasan nyo nun at a very affordable price.
Yes.
So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And kung di pa po kayo like and subscribe, please do so. Follow us on our channel and stay safe.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys. Cheers. Shout out.